Okay. Recording here. All right, we are going to look at creating a supplier diversity database. Short module. Create a company website database and or directory of diverse suppliers. To maintain and build a database, the supply management professional needs to devise ways and techniques to reach out to the suppliers, also known as outreach. Internal, utilizing supplier databases with purchasing systems is recommended. So don't make it a separate database, integrate it with your ERP system. Some companies create intranet sites to allow stakeholders to locate a diverse supplier. External, there are several resources available to the supply management professional in the quest to communicate opportunities to diverse suppliers. Minority and small business trade associations, networking, business development organizations, 10 minority and small business procurement conferences and tech and trade fairs. Participate in other matchmaking or networking events, organize procurement events in the form of how to do business with PACCAR or whatever your company name is. Employ the SAM, Systems for Awards Management database to locate sources. That's the government system, federal government. Utilize social media, the company website, newspaper, magazine ads. You're looking to find diverse supplier sources. Benchmarking, so industry comparison. Organizations may benchmark their diversity programs in their own industry or other industries. So organizations frequently use informal networks to contact each other and find benchmarking candidates. There are several benchmarking organizations and reports throughout the supply management industry. So CAPS, which is the Center for Advanced Purchasing Studies. Research offers a report that compares diverse supplier statistics across multiple industries. And then some metrics that are compared are things like diverse supplier program spend is a percentage of sourceable spend, supplier development, supplier training, supplier competitiveness. Many groups exist to promote supplier diversity. National Minority Supplier Development Council, Women's Business Enterprise National Council, the $1 Billion Roundtable. We talked about SAM, which is the Systems for Award Management, federal government, and dir.com, diversity information resources. All right. What is the best known and most widely used minority business directory in the United States? You just kind of got to know this one. If I remember correctly, it's DIR. B it is. The supply manager is responsible for building a diverse supplier database. What step listed below would the supply manager not follow as they develop a new diverse supplier database? A new diverse supplier database. Review the current diverse supplier database. Well, if they're developing a new one, they probably wouldn't have a current one. Anticipate and develop a list of suppliers the organization might possibly be able to use. They do that. Locate sources, yeah. Develop evaluation criteria for suppliers and meeting diversity needs, yeah. So it's got to be A. And A is correct. All right. I got some questions out there. Oh no, I got to do summary first. One of the elements contributing to the success of an organization's supplier diversity program is a healthy database of diverse suppliers. Utilizing supplier databases with purchasing systems is recommended. So we'll make it a separate access database. Try to integrate it with your ERP system. CAPS research offers a report that compares diverse supplier statistics across multiple industries. And there are several resources available to the supply management professional in order to communicate opportunities to diverse suppliers. All right, now we can move on to our questions. Questions for SDB2. How many we got here? We got 7. Questions are all kind of similar, but okay. Pick up some answers here. B2 practice questions. All right. Number 1 is alpha. Number 2 is delta. 3 is bravo. 4 is alpha. 5 is bravo. 6 is alpha. And 7 is Charlie. That's what I got for you today. Pick up with B3 tomorrow.